iPhone 13 series was the headline maker during Apple's September launch event, but the Cupertino-based tech giant also introduced the iPad mini 2021, and this is the device that we have here with us. It is priced at Rs 46,900 in India, and in this video we're gonna unbox the iPad mini. I'll take you through its features and specifications. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. So this is the Apple iPad mini box, the standard iPad packaging with mini clearly written here. Also a few tech specifications are given at the back. This is the 256 GB storage variant, 6th generation iPad mini with Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity both. I'm going to quickly unbox the device. So Apple had launched two different iPads this year. This one is of course the iPad mini, but you also get a new iPad Air, and that one has a bigger screen, but it is more affordable than the iPad mini. Oops. So this is how the iPad mini looks like, the regular Apple finish with the iPad branding at the bottom and the Apple logo in the middle. You also get a Type-C USB charging port at the bottom, and there are 4 speakers on the body. You get the volume rockers on the top, by the way, they're not on the sides. The sides have been kept rather clean. There's only a SIM tray here, and this is to connect the iPad to other accessories, and there's the standard power button as well. So let me just turn this on and keep it aside while we look at other stuff. Of course, this one is available in 4 color options. So the one which I have here is the space gray color variant, but you can also buy the iPad mini in pink, purple and starlight color variants. So inside the box you get this pouch which has some product information. There is also a SIM ejector tool here that you get inside the box itself. Apart from this, you also get a charging adapter. This has a Type-C USB port as well, so you do get a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. It only makes me wonder why Apple is not shipping one of these with the iPhones as well. So this is all what you get inside the box of the iPad mini. So the iPad mini is available in both 64 GB and 256 storage variants. As you can see here, it's been kept quite compact. So what you're getting here is an 8.3 inch display. This is a liquid retina display, and I mean, this is more of a bigger smartphone than an actual tablet, because what you have seen with the iPad Air and the iPad Pro, they have definitely a larger screen than this. So I think this is probably ideal for anybody who is on the go and would want to indulge in some office work or watch a bit of media, but you can't do too many intensive tasks on this, even though this one comes with an A15 Bionic chip. So that's the most powerful Apple chipset, which actually also powers the new iPhone 13 series. In terms of weight, the general model, which is the Wi-Fi models, they weigh 293 grams, while the Wi-Fi plus cellular models weigh 297 grams. So the weight is not actually that much. In fact, a lot of smartphones these days weigh close to 250 grams. So this is actually quite lightweight as compared to those, and that's probably the USP of the iPad mini as well. So the display that Apple has used here is its True Tone display, which, as you would know, adjusts its color temperature according to the room temperature. Also, you get fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating, so the screen does not catch too many fingerprint smudges, as you can probably see here. The display is slightly reflective, but that's the case with most displays these days. In fact, Apple is saying that it has used an anti-reflective coating here as well, but I don't see any real impact of that on the screen. The screen can have a peak brightness of up to 500 nits, which is quite decent even for outdoor usage. So there's one camera on each side. At the back you get a 12 megapixel wide camera, while on the front, you get a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, so this is ideal for even video calling. I mean, of course, you don't expect an iPad to be your go-to device for clicking pictures. That's something that you have to keep in mind. So this was your first look at the iPad mini 2021. Of course, we'll be spending a little more time with this tiny device, and we'll bring you a detailed review of this on India Today Tech as well. If there's one specific feature or specification that you want to know more about, you do let us know in the comments box.